Honda's CG160 fan has long been a favorite among riders seeking a reliable, fuel-efficient, and practical motorcycle for daily commuting and light-duty use. Built with simplicity and efficiency in mind, this bike embodies Honda's reputation for quality and longevity, making it a staple in markets across the globe. The CG160 fan boasts a modern yet utilitarian design. Its clean lines, compact frame, and angular fuel tank give it a contemporary look that appeals to younger and older riders alike. The bike comes with a comfortable, well-padded seat, providing a relaxed riding posture for both the rider and passenger. At the heart of the Honda CG160 fan is a 162.7 cubic centimeters, air-cooled, single-cylinder engine. This robust engine delivers 15.1 horsepower at 8,000 RPM and 14.9 Newton-meters of torque at 7,000 RPM, offering enough power for urban commuting while maintaining excellent fuel efficiency. It features electronic fuel injection, (PGMFI), ensuring smooth throttle response and reduced emissions. One of the standout features of the CG160 fan is its durability. Designed to withstand the challenges of everyday use, it is known for its low maintenance requirements and long-lasting components. Honda's extensive dealer network also ensures that spare parts and servicing are easily accessible. The CG160 fan's affordability is a significant factor in its popularity. It offers exceptional value for money, with a low initial cost, excellent fuel economy, and minimal running expenses. Its 16-liter fuel tank provides impressive range, reducing the need for frequent refueling. The Honda CG160 fan continues to uphold its legacy as a practical, efficient, and reliable motorcycle for the masses. Whether you're navigating crowded urban streets or taking a relaxed ride through rural areas, this bike delivers consistent performance and outstanding value.